There is no talk of exploitation, of overworking oneself or others, or exploitation of the land. Locke seems to have a profound faith in rationality and a libertarian faith in it, that um, once rational productivity is unleashed, it will create not just moral individuals, but also a just and moral society. So again, it's another question of, is he conducting a thought experiment where he comes up with, capitalistic human nature as the basic answer, or is he constructing a myth? Okay, so food for thought. Let's turn now to Adam Smith. Okay, um, so whereas Locke is writing in a proto-capitalistic era or mercantilistic era, mercantilistic capitalism, libertarian capitalism, whatever you want to call it, Smith is writing in 1776 at the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. So we could call it sort of the proto-factory, the proto-industrial revolution phase. And this is happening in England, where England is the classic and traditional laboratory to explore uh, capitalism uh, in its early period. So instead of Locke's rugged individualist turning labor into property, or mixing labor with land or nature in order to create property, now we have the worker in a factory setting, selling their labor for wages, not for property. Smith introduces the idea of the division of labor. Okay, you'll see me refer to it in writing as DoL. That stands for division of labor. So he introduces the idea of division of labor uh, with a little parable of the pin factory. Okay, so let me click on here. This is the text. This is Smith, right? The text you'll be reading, and right, and this is where he's going to talk about the pin factory uh, parable, famous story, anecdote that he comes up with to explain the division of labor. Okay, so whereas the Lockean, we'll call it the Lockean, skilled craftsman in pre-capitalistic days did all the tasks that were required to create one pin.